guys, how's it going? I am Jane, an artist and your guide for today. Let me take you on a journey through my time in Jingdezhen. First of all, check those. Aren't they pretty? It's my handmade jewelry. If you're interested, let me know in the comments and I will share how I made those. Okay, so this year I went to here twice. First time was in winter time at the beginning of 2024 with my boyfriend, where we were total tourists. We just checking out all the signs and finding out all the cool stuff. The second trip was in 2024 with my ceramic artist friend Ziyu. She is super talented, so if you're interested, check the Instagram here, please. You will love it. They making like a super cute cat stuff. Yeah. So she showed me around her studio in Jingdezhen in that moment, and also we saw lots of exhibition. I get a sneak peek into the local sign. Right now, let's go to see more details.
一词载古今，一镇知中国。A piece of porcelain holds history, and this town represents China. Welcome everyone to Jingdezhen. In January, my boyfriend and I braved the chilly weather in Jingdezhen. It wasn't too crowded, probably because half the town was closed for the Spring Festival. We were also battling cold, so we stuck close to our hotel and explored two main spots, Taoxichuan, which is open every night, and 乐天集市, a Sunday morning only market. Both had amazing art projects. Most is made by ceramics, but we also can see like jewelry by silver, bags by jeans, and even some flame working stuff, which is I'm super happy for that because I never saw any glass artwork before in China. And then after that, we met the artists and saw them in action. 乐天集市 is the pricier handmade heaven, while Taoxichuan has more budget-friendly options, including some mass-produced items, which means Taoxichuan had something is not handmade. You need to like distinguish what is that. Good luck. And then let's move on. The Chinese Ceramic Museum is a must if you are into porcelain. Jingdezhen is famous worldwide for ceramic, and here you can trace its evolution from a tiny studio to the ceramic powerhouse it is today. Plus, you will see some jaw-dropping pieces from different eras of Chinese history. On our last day, we tried making our own ceramics. Spoiler alert, I have some experience, so I got a bit creative. My boyfriend, on the other hand, let's just say the staff had to step in and help him out. But hey, here are our masterpieces, before and after. Aren't they adorable? My time with Ziyu was all about exploring the real Jingdezhen. I got to see her life there, even though she's a ceramic artist. She's into all kinds of materials. I'm so glad we connected. Ziyu started learning silver jewelry making and took me to her teacher's studio, where I got to watch the magic happen. They even had a tiny flame working set up. Super cool! Respect for the teacher. We zipping around town on a motorcycle, checking out other artists and meeting some fashionable newcomers. We also hit up a couple of exhibitions at Jingdezhen University, where we feel like students all over again. We just graduated last year, and I already miss it, so cherish your student days, folks. One exhibition, The Journey of Ceramics, blew us away with its mind-bending ideas and high-tech art. Seriously, go see it. Even not, just go online. Go! Super recommend. Jingdezhen is all about that chill, creative life. The people are laid back, focused on their art, and living their best lives. After these 2 trips, I realized that Jingdezhen is perfect for art lovers, especially if you are into ceramics and slow living. But fair warning, the town itself is a bit old school, which means it doesn't modern like other famous city in China. It is more nature.
And that is for today. If you like, please subscribe and thumbs up. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Next time I will share my journal to become a resident artist in Misaga Living Art Center. So, catch you later.